Raildel Corporation of India Limited has announced that it has secured a major domestic work order valued at 23.18 crore rupees for developing an exclusive online portal for the Goa Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board. India's power sector has seen a significant ownership development that could influence sentiment around JSW Energy stock. JSW Energy Limited has triggered a key clause that will allow the company to move toward 100% ownership of JSW Mahanadi Power Company Limited. At the 18th National Conference on Coal, held in New Delhi under the theme Transforming the Coal Sector for a Net Zero Future, Sanjay Som, Director Mining and Construction at BEML Limited, emphasized a balanced and pragmatic pathway for India's energy transition. NTPC Limited has informed stock exchanges that the company has received an environmental, social and governance rating of 74.3 from CARE ESG Ratings Limited. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has issued a corrigendum extending the last date to apply for associate consultant positions at its Hazira plant. The update is in reference to advertisement number 01/2026 dated February 26, 2026, which invited applications from retired ONGC employees for contractual engagement. Ministry of Railways has issued an official order approving the deputation of Ms. Pooja Makhija to Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Ms. Pooja Makhija, a Group B accounts officer currently serving as AFA/EST/HQ Northern Railway, has been selected for deputation as Deputy General Manager Finance. State-run oil marketing company Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited has confirmed that all its retail fuel outlets are fully operational and adequately stocked with petroleum products. Coal India Limited has announced that it is absorbing rising operational costs to prevent a cascading increase in coal prices for consumers across India. The company will publish the announcement in leading newspapers as part of its regulatory disclosure to BSE Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has announced 4,000 paid internship opportunities under the Prime Minister Internship Scheme 2026-27, aimed at equipping India's youth with industry-ready skills in the oil and gas sector. BEML Limited, a Ministry of Defence PSU company, has achieved a significant milestone with the unveiling of India's first indigenous 35-ton electric dump truck at its Mysuru complex.